What's up, drummers? Welcome in. As always, my name is Dave Major, and thank you so much for joining me today. It's awesome to have you along. This lesson is all about a 16th note triplet lick, the one I played in the intro, and I'm going to show you how I break it up, or how I built it from very simple building blocks, which is the key with any of this stuff. Have simple building blocks that you can play, that you can control, and then add them together to make something brand new. So the fill itself is made up of a group of 9, a group of 8, and a group of 7. Now together, 9 plus 8 plus 7 makes 24, which is our 16th note triplets. 16th note triplets, by the way, if you don't know, are counted 1 triplet and triplet, 2 triplet and triplet, etc., 3 triplet and triplet, 4 triplet and triplet. So let's start with the group of 9. It's made up of a 6-stroke roll, which is an accented right, 2 soft lefts, 2 soft rights, and then an accented left. Then we're going to play a half 6-stroke roll, which is going to be accented right, left, left. So together that makes a group of 9. Which will be counted 1 triplet and triplet, 2 triplet. From there, we're going to do 2 kick drums followed by a paradiddle diddle. Paradiddle diddle is another common 6-note sticking. Paradiddle diddle, right, left, left, left. And I've accented both of those singles. Usually it's played with 1, sounds like this. You play it with 2. If you want to get saucy, you can even just accent the second one. Or mix it up. Whatever you choose. Those 2 kick drums at the start of the paradiddle diddle make 8. So far we're at 17 notes. 9 plus 8, that makes 17. So we've got 7 left to work on. What we're going to do is we're going to play on 1 more kick drum. And then we're going to have right, left, left kick. Now the right, left kick is another common 6-note phrase. So what we're really doing today is doing what I call a concept called extensions. Adding half 6-stroke roll, a couple of kick drums here, another kick drum there, to make a normal phrase that we would play slightly longer, obviously by extending it. Therefore it creates a different shape. It gives you perhaps a little break. That's what I'm using those kick drums for, to move around the drum kit a bit easier. And it just creates a new pattern from something old. So let me play it slow, and I'm just going to play it all on the snare drum, no orchestration. And the orchestration I played at the start was, I'm going to play the first accent of the 6-stroke roll and the second accent up in the hi-hat, then the third one on the snare drum, sounds like this. Kick, kick. 2 accents on the first tom, like that, and then right, left, left, kick. So the accents are going right, left, kick. The orchestration that I chose to play this in sounds like this. Now that's the orchestration I chose to play. But that's not the only orchestration you can do with this. Now, I'm a big proponent of exploring set stickings, set ideas around the drum kit fully, so you have total freedom. Let's try this fill with my orchestration at a really slow tempo of 40 beats a minute. And now a little bit faster, we're going to go at 60. And then finally, goal tempo of 80. That's where this stuff kind of sits, 80, 85, maybe even 90. But any faster than that, it just sounds, to me, it sounds like too many notes. So it becomes unmusical per se. So here's 80. So if you guys enjoyed this lesson, take it, build upon it. You don't have to play my groups of 9, 8, 7. You don't even have to play a group of 9, 8, or 7. Just add some numbers together, make some groups by extending things you already know, and we are in business with an absolutely killer fill. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit subscribe, share it around, show me you playing it. I'll catch you guys next time.